I have a very special surprise. Look what decided to work. That's right. Oh, can't play too much of it, but you get the idea. Whoops. Okay, so for whatever reason, this likes to stick on channel 2, even when you're trying to use the channel select button. Doesn't like to move very much, so I figured out you gotta go 0, 3. And there you go. This is the VCR. It appears to apparently not need a cleaning, which is absolutely mind-boggling. I still plan on cleaning it, but this is very good news right here. Just wanted to share that real quick. That's, again, the RCA ColorTrak. It's a 1987 model with really only UHF, VHF, and RF inputs on the back. And the RCA, let's see if I can do this from memory, VPT295 stereo VCR. The power button is a little bit sticky, so yeah, I'm gonna have to go in and do some work on this. Whoops. Oh, that was the rewind button, or the search button, doing a little bit of something, so that's good. And then search forward. Okay. How's the pause look? Ooh, not the worst pause I've ever seen. And yeah, that's pretty good and very exciting. I'm very excited about that. This is my go-to test tape because I have it with no box.